Hey friends, it's Cal and Zephyr's here too. This is our 30-foot school bus that we just spent this past year converting into our dream home on wheels. However, that is not why we're here. We are here because we are about to take you all the way across the country and back in this. And rude. Okay, you two, go ahead. Everybody go. I forgot what I was saying, and it's also really cold, so I'm gonna go inside real quick. But I guess while I have you here, now is the perfect time to subscribe. That way you know you're always ready for the next adventure, and that way I know too. Fun fact, we do this every Sunday. So the journey's just beginning, and now is the perfect time to follow along. Zephyr, let's go inside. Let's go. Okay. Yeah, we're not doing this out there. Too cold. Too cold. All right. Yeah, and I can't turn the heat on because it's gonna go zzzz. I'll be back when this is done going zzzz. Yeah, so you guys totally remember the whole we got towed, breaking down, moving into a diesel shop, that whole thing. I mean, how could you forget?
I hear the go-donk and proceeded to back up over the Civic.
And you also probably remember us then hightailing it all the way to Georgia. Then we also got to get 2 new kittens, which have been so far the best little additions to the crew.
What's that?
Little things. Their names are Puddles and Moose, and I'll show you more on them later, I promise. After we got the kittens, we made our way back up to Tennessee, where we explored a Buc-ee's. We had no clue what that was until then, but then we also caught the stomach flu. 10 out of 10, don't recommend. But then we were able to pull it together and make our way over to
Kentucky.
Kentucky? What state are we in? I don't know, we're in Kentucky.
Kentucky.
I think Kentucky. I don't know how we ended up in Kentucky, but we did. And I just had the best day ever. Where we explored the Mammoth Caves together, and that absolutely blew my mind. We're gonna go what?
Spelunking.
After facing some fears and exploring some caves, we made... And then after we made our way... And then after we were done exploring the caves, we made our way over to Kentucky. Nope, we were just in Kentucky. What state are we in?
Illinois.
So we're in Illinois. I guess we're in Illinois. We were then able to make our way out to Missouri, where we were able to check out the Gateway Arch.
Gateway Arch.
Gateway Arch.
Gateway Arch. Gateway Arch.
Which I had zero clue existed. It's huge. And apparently you can go inside it. You can go up it and go up. Fun fact. No. I think you can like literally go inside the thing. In little things. There's a thing on the thing. You can literally go inside the thing.
Shuttle inside of it.
No. No. Thank you. Nope.
No.
Would you take a shuttle up into the sky? I wouldn't. No. No. Thank you. Nope.
Just to say I did it.
No. Maybe next time. You guys almost have me convinced. No. Now the thing I simply can't wrap my brain around is the fact that to head west, we need to head north to South Dakota. It's not making any sense. But we're gonna try. All of this to eventually make our way out to Oregon. We have a Skoolie festival we're attending, and there's more on that later too. I can't believe we've made it this far. However, yeah, we did it. We're in South Dakota, and what better way to share our time with you than to just show you. I mean, I have all this footage. Let's go. You're gonna want to buckle up though. It's gonna be a bumpy ride. I'm sorry. Okay. Ready? Yeah, and that was a good one, okay? It's all about the so funny. Just tried to kill some time and get out of the bus for a little bit. My whole body hurts and I can't take it anymore.
South Dakota, we are Badlands bound. Hoping to see some friggin' buffalo. Stopped at a Love's Travel Stop, Cabela's, or Bass Pro Shop. I don't even know anymore. One of the two. I think it was Where did we go today? Bass Pro or Cabela's?
I think Cabela's. So we just left to Cabela's, grabbed a fish magnet for our fridge.
Cabela's.
Looked at all the animals.
So yeah, spirits are high. We'll be right outside of Badlands tonight, and we'll go do that tomorrow. And then yeah, getting some sun. Got a phone mount for the bus, so I don't have to put the GPS thing on the center thing and it falls down all the time. Kind of waiting out the wind. I don't want to drive in 40 mile an hour gusts. I don't want to be dramatic. And we'll park in a little rest stop right outside the Badlands tonight. So off we go.
Really cool.
Get ready. You tell me when you see another train track. Keep looking.
So, South Dakota. My nose is running. So, South Dakota. We're doing the thing. It's beautiful here. Oh my goodness. I just want to go back. Yeah, currently we're not in South Dakota. Fun fact, there's plenty of snow on the ground and we are back east. To make that make sense, this footage, I believe, is from the first week of June. It is currently, what is it currently? It's currently December. We just celebrated the holidays. The New Year's coming up. And yeah, we're back. We're safe on the East Coast, but when I say it's gonna be a wild ride, I mean it. We've had some time to reflect and go over just the past few months we've had, and oh my goodness, I am so glad I had this camera here with me. I don't think anyone would believe us otherwise. This is the start of our time in South Dakota. It's gonna be fun. Sorry for rambling, but I just wanted to check in with you guys and let you know what was up. But yeah, while I have you here, one last thing. Don't forget to like this video. A little like goes a long way. You can also subscribe, letting me know you are ready for the next adventure. There's also like a little notification bell you can hit, and that will let you know that I'm here. And that does something cool too. That'll let you know that I posted a video. And then lastly, if you want to comment down below and let me know what you think we're gonna encounter while we're out here in South Dakota. I'm curious to see what your guesses are. Other than that, I will see you guys down the road. I'm gonna go make some coffee and hang out with my boys. Yeah, I'm out of here. I'm done. That's it. I'll see you later. I mean, oh, I can't just leave you guys with that. I'll see you guys down the road, okay? Bye. Sorry. It's all about the so funny. I'm gonna go before I embarrass myself anymore. Boo. Did I scare you? I thought that was funny.